So, on a recent trip to Disney, my mom brought back a few snacks for us from, how do you say it?
Mitsukoshi.
And we're gonna sample them and try them out. Okay, so first we're gonna try Koalas March artificially flavored strawberry cream filled cookies. They are $1.99. So, let's see. And we actually, I think, tried these already, Chris and I, because we went to Japan before and had a chance to try them. Whoops. Okay, so they look like...
Smell good.
They smell good, but...
What is it? What's the flavor? What's it supposed to... What's cool about it is the Octagon Box. That's unique right away, I thought. It smelled like strawberry and bananas, and the packaging appears to be at least strawberries, so...
It tastes like... I don't know what. But each of these little cookies have a koala on them, and they all have different little faces. Try.
I think it's supposed to be the shape of a koala also.
Yeah, well, it's like a Teddy Graham with stuff in it.
Smells good. Light, flaky, crunchy crust. Stiff, weird inside. It's like a yogurt, but not creamy. Or cool, it's just like dried out yogurt.
You can see they fill them from the back because there's a little hole in the back of them. We also have similar ones, Hello Panda, and they are chocolate, so naturally better. And you know what? They are less calories, so there you go.
How many pieces?
Well, maybe not. No, I was about to say.
19 of these little koala things is 210 calories.
Ooh, these ones aren't as cute. Someone messed that up. This one's just a blob. I don't want to eat them. Oh, they're all just blobs. There's no cute things on them.
They're panda heads.
No, it's supposed to have something on them, but they melted. Well, whoever transported them obviously didn't do a good job.
How do you know? Oh yeah, it looks like they, so what it is they each have these drawings on of these little pandas doing action figures. So, could be cute.
What does that taste like?
I don't know.
Who needs dinner? Just eat this stuff.
Smells chocolatey. It's got like a nut flavor to it too. A hazelnut.
Like hazelnut. Okay, while we're on the cookie.
Nut or butter.
Let's try this. Papi? Papi. Papi? That's how I say it. We had these in Tokyo too. But I don't remember. It's 2 years ago. And they were good. I remember liking them.
The aftertaste of this cookie is something that's familiar. It's like, that we have here. It's like a thin surfboard shaped cookie with a thin chocolate layer on the back. That's what it reminds me of.
Like a Milano cookie?
Yeah, maybe.
This is the Pocky, I don't know. Matcha green tea covered biscuit sticks. They are a product of Thailand, and I don't know how much they cost.
I think you use them to clean your ears, or maybe stir your coffee. I'm not sure.
Or just eat like this. So, I think they're good, but you have to like green tea and matcha especially. I don't think he does, but it's weird because it's like sweet and then it tastes like green tea, so if that's not your thing, then you're not gonna like these. No?
No.
Okay.
They're 3 cents a stick. The net weight is 2.47 ounces for 70 grams. Here in the United States, we don't use the metric system, so we go by pounds. rather than kilos. So maybe that'll be helpful.
Probably not, but the whole box is 330 calories for the green tea, and the strawberry, as you see here, is 340 calories. And if you're lactose intolerant, none of these, like me, none of these snacks are good for you. What do you think?
It's got a real strong artificial strawberry flavor.
It does say artificially flavored.
Look at that, I'm right on point. I'm an expert. You should listen to me.
Still good though, something different.
Well, kids, see, there's a mommy and a daddy, and when they don't want to be them, they get fruit candies. We have apple. I don't know what that word is. Muscat? Looks like grapes. And peaches, grapes, and strawberry. Check it out. So I'm imagining they'll taste just like gummies here. They'll be, you know, made from some kind of high fructose corn syrup and taste exactly like they're described. So
These are actually made in Japan.
holy cow, man. First thing when you open this package, it really smells like fresh apples, so I'm impressed. They have a powdery coating on it. It's like a little gumdrop, you know, Willy Wonka's type of gumdrop shape. It's like a sugary crystal coating. It's all over my fingers, and high fructose corn syrup. Told you, I'm an expert. But they do taste different than the apple flavors that we taste here normally. This tastes actually more like actual produce versus ours, which usually tastes like a sour apple flavor. So that's unique and tasty.
It tastes like plastic.
I thought it was awesome. I want the peaches. Millions of peaches. Peaches for me. Same design, same texture. Not as flavorful.
Here's the, is it muscat? No, I'm just making things up. It's grape, white grape flavor. I like it. A little. No, I don't like it.
To be ingested by only the honest and pure of heart.
I think this stuff's giving me a stomachache.
Oh, whoa.
It's very berry.
Muscat is not grapes.
White grape.
Well, that's white grape?
There's a picture of a grape.
Yep. Oh, it does say grape flavor. Look at that. Hey, it's best before 2018.
So when you try products from different countries, even though it may say grape or strawberry or whatever, it still will taste different because it adheres to the taste buds of the country that they're originating from. Hence, not ours. So it tastes a little funny for us, but
I don't think it's bad though.
It.
I think I could eat them. Listen, it's not Welch's. Welch's, send me some free crap. Oh, those are awful.
The strawberry.
That's the strawberry. Yeah, don't eat those. They taste like soap.
Green tea flavored Kit Kats. Green tea Kit Kats. Let's try them. We actually had these. Actually have an open bag down in the basement still from 2015 from when we went to Tokyo before. They were good, but after a while, it's just, you just get tired of it. Here you go.
No, I'm gonna pass because I didn't remember what those taste like.
You don't remember?
I do. I don't remember, I think. They're awful. I mean, they're great, but they have, like, if you like real green tea flavored stuff, I really don't.
I can't, so good. Okay. They're a little different than I remember. It's okay, but in small doses. They're great if you don't want to gain a lot of weight because you won't have to worry about eating the whole bag because you'll get sick before that point. But it's okay.
Matcha milk candy.
It's an acquired taste. And we have...
The packaging though.
I think these are hard candies here. This one's $3.49 for the pack. The Kit Kats were, there's no price. So
hey, they have a design like the hard candy root beer barrel kind of. Let's smell it first. Oh, it's stuck in my nose. 131 calories for 2 of these. Wait, no, that's not right.
About 2, yeah.
No, it's 2 servings per package. Corn syrup, sugar, milk powder, condensed milk, palm oil, cream, green tea powder, salt, and some artificial flavoring.
I'm surprised nothing's been sushi flavored.
That would be foul. So this one's going to take a little bit, so if you can hang with us and just click like and subscribe, we greatly appreciate that.
In the meantime.
Milky, not much green tea. Which is definitely a good train ride, plane ride. But it is very creamy.
So while he's playing with that, if you like my ears, I got them custom made from We've Got Ears. So check them out, they're pretty cool. So last but not least, and our favorite treat we've been wanting to try is this. It looks like an ice cream cone.
I'm gonna save this guy.
It's $2.99, and for the whole thing is 180 calories. So
it's a really creamy texture in your mouth.
Stay with me.
Like what do they call it? Buttersworth?
We've moved on
Butter?
to this now.
Yeah, but whatever. It's tasty.
I don't know how to open it.
You just rip it like Christmas. Rip it and rip it, bro.
Oh, cute. It looks like a little ice cream.
Dude, I'm so excited about this.
Sweet.
I think that it's going to taste like astronaut food.
It smells like strawberry chocolate.
Yes. Napoleon astronaut food. Like the things you buy in the wrapping at the Space Museum in Washington or whatever. You know what I mean?
I thought that would have been like gummy and tacky, but it's like chocolatey.
Well, don't spoil it for everybody.
That's the purpose of this.
I thought that would be light and flaky
That's
like
what
the
I
crust.
just said. Yeah, that's not.
But it's more like, I don't know, sugar coating. Like an icing, a frosting. Is that what you said? I don't know. I don't listen to you when you talk.
I'm glad we got that on video. Ain't it the truth?
So the center looks like the packaging.
But we didn't bite to the center yet.
Well,
Take a big bite so we get there.
it looks like bone marrow. Ew.
Careful, the ice cream might drip out.
Here you go.
I can only have so much.
Oh yeah, so I should break it. I agree.
Don't break it, bite it.
No, I don't want to eat all that. I'm watching my figure grow wider. In the spirit of the upcoming what do you call it? Holiday. Upcoming holiday.
Trick or treat?
Yeah, it's like I just broke the bones. Like, yeah, just whatever. Marrow. I love bone marrow.
That's disgusting.
That's good. You can eat that.
Like a chocolatey coffee flavor. Pretty cool.
What's the crust remind you of? The cone. A cone.
Yeah, ice cream cone. I think that's all we got.
Oh yeah. Like when they fill the bottom of the cone with the chocolate. That's what the chocolate part tastes like.
Well, that's all we got. If you check out the Japan store in Epcot and you found something cool, let us know. Like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what you found. Thanks for joining us.
That's what it is. It's just chocolate. White chocolate.